In this video, I am going to show how to download and install Python 3.13 on Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and search for Python and browse this URL. Now download Python for Windows operating system. Click on the download link, then select Windows. Now I am going to download the latest stable release of Python. Download Windows installer for 64-bit or 32-bit depending on your computer. I am going to download Windows installer for 64-bit operating system. It may take a while for downloading Python installer. After successful download, go into the download folder and open this installer. Select install now to install Python with default settings or choose customize to enable or disable features. I am going to select the second option. Check this box to install Python for all users on your computer and check this box to add Python to path environment variable. Okay, now click on next. Now choose the installation location. Check this box and install Python into the programs file. Okay. Now click on the install button. If you asked a question from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes. It may take a while for installing Python on your operating system. That's it, Python installed successfully. Now I am going to verify the installation. Open command prompt and check the install version of Python. Python hyphen version. That's it. Python 3.13.0 installed successfully. Now I am going to open Python console. Simply type Python, hit enter. Now I am going to write a simple script that will print a message. That's it. Exit the console. That's it. To uninstall Python from Windows operating system, open control panel and select view by category and then click on uninstall a program. Now select Python launcher, click on uninstall button, select yes. If you asked a question from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes. Then select the Python installer, click on uninstall. If you asked a question from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes. It may take a while for uninstalling. That's it. Uninstall was successful. Close this window. Now open edit the system environment variables of control panel and delete the Python path variable. Okay. Now go into the program files and here you will see Python folder. Delete this folder. Okay. Now verify the uninstallation using this command. That's it. Python was not found. That means Python uninstalled successfully from Windows operating system. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.